Hi, everyone. Today, we'd like showcase our automatic copper tube insulation pipe threader line. This is a copper tube feed guide sleeve, horizontal straightening roller for copper tubing, vertical straightening roller for copper tubing, copper tube drawing mechanism. This is a flaw detector that inspects copper tubes for surface defects and sounds an alarm. This is a burr-free cutting mechanism for copper tubing with servo-controlled feeding for precise length cutting. The equipment can process single tube or double tube threading. This is the guide tube. The copper tube passes through the Goody tube and is pulled out by a special rubber wheel. The control panel allows simultaneous control of single tube and dual tube operations. Operation is simple and convenient. Next, let's watch a video of the equipment in action.